The Mandalorian Special Edition Astro A30 wireless headset on Nintendosense YouTube channel. Sit tight for this epic unboxing. It's the mobile USB-C transmitter for Nintendo Switch and other platforms. I hope you enjoy watching me check out this unboxing. This is the way, Mudhorn and all. It's got simultaneous multiple input from Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz and 2.5 millimeter. There is integrated mics as well as a boom mic. You've got multifunction commands, over 27 hours of battery life. We've got Mandalorian plates. It's got the Mandalorian and the Mudhorn signet on it. So it's a special edition headset because it has special sound effects. And we're gonna unbox it here on Nintendosense YouTube channel. Sit tight and check this out. So I think it slides out that way, but you can also just open it up this way. So there's that. Star Wars, The Mandalorian. And just take away the shell. We're left with this cool packaging. Ooh, there's writing on the inside of the box. In Mandalorian, it says this is the way. There's the Mudhorn signet on the case because it's a special edition. And there's some other info in there in the box. And that's all there is to the box. Pretty cool box. Oh. Interesting case design. And then the accessories are in this little thing that looks like Mando's ship. And so then there's the boom mic and some cables. Type-C cable, probably 3.5 millimeter. Inside the package, you've got the A30 wireless dongle, a USB-A to USB-C charge cable, and the external boom mic, as well as a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter cable. And then the Astro A30 Mandalorian Edition headset itself, the Beskar. I guess these tags are removable. That's the power on sound, or the power off sound, I should say. And then we've got the power on sound, which is pretty cool. There's a, I think, Bluetooth pairing button, mic mute and unmute, which makes a little noise. And then your settings right here, which I don't know how that works. Yeah. The Type-C USB mobile adapter is quite tiny. I've now gotten some time to spend with the headset, get a feel for how it sounds, play around with the mixing options. I'm enjoying it so far. I don't know if it's worth the price point that they're asking. They're asking a lot of money for this thing. And it turns out you don't actually need the Type-C adapter for the Switch. You can just use this adapter. This adapter works with the Switch too. So I guess this is just like a bonus adapter. So it's like smaller. And it can only be paired to one adapter at a time anyways. But it's pretty easy to switch between the pairings, so that's not too bad. But yeah, you don't need to buy the extra adapter, just in case you were wondering. This adapter will work with your Nintendo Switch. I feel like that's pretty important to tell people. Overall, they've got a pretty comfortable fit on my head. And I haven't even adjusted them really yet. Oh yeah. I'm listening to some Grateful Dead, Eyes of the World. Pretty groovy. I tested them out a little bit with a little bit of gameplay too, and the game sounded excellent that I was playing in both modes. So that's awesome. I'll be following up with a review. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I hope you look forward to my review video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks again for watching Nintendosense YouTube channel. Have a great day. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe for more content like this.